Meet PromptGPT by Vosu.ai. It's built for creators who demand total control. The secret, it actually understands the context. Whether you need a hyper-realistic photo, a cinematic video, or a specific audio sounds, PromptGPT tunes its context for exactly what you're building. You finally get to sit in the director's chair. You control the exact camera angle, lighting, motion, even try out different cameras with any kind of lens, maintaining any details you can think of. Need the final output formatted in plain text, Markdown or JSON for your workflow? Also done. And here's the real game changer. Once you nail that perfect brand style, you never have to start from scratch again. Save your best prompts and exact configurations as one-click presets. Stop guessing, start directing. Try PromptGPT for free at Vosu.ai. One workspace, one tool. Access 150 plus top AI models for video, image, audio, music, and UGC ads generation with built-in royalty-free, copyright-safe image, video, and sound assets. Generate, automate, and publish everywhere. From script to stunning visuals in minutes, no editing skills required. Everything you need is in one place. Create briefs, generate images, edit, animate, upscale, and turn everything into videos, all inside one smooth, organized workspace. No switching tools, no wasted time, just pure creative speed. Most AI video tools promise cinematic results. But let's be honest, most of them still look like AI. Weird motion, broken faces, random lighting, it just doesn't feel real. And if you've ever tried making videos with AI, you already know the pain. You spend credits, test prompts, tweak settings, and still don't get what you imagined. So when I got early access to a new model called Seedance 2, I wasn't expecting much. But after testing it properly, this might actually be one of the first AI video tools that feels usable. Not perfect, not magic, but finally usable. So in this video, I'm not just going to show you what it does. I'm going to push it from basic prompts all the way to cinematic scenes and see if it actually holds up. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly talk about why most AI video tools fail in the first place. It's not just about resolution or quality. The real problem is consistency. Alright, so first head over to Vosu.ai and sign up using Google. So right now, we're inside the Vosu AI dashboard, and honestly, this is where everything starts. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and organized this interface is. It doesn't feel overwhelming like most AI tools where you don't even know where to click. Everything is laid out in a way that actually makes sense, especially if you're a creator. At the top, you've got your main navigation, AI Studio, AI Playground, and PromptGPT. Think of this as your control center. AI Studio is where you actually create content, Playground is more for experimenting, and PromptGPT helps you generate better prompts so you don't waste credits guessing. This is where you really understand the power of Vosu. So now when you click on PromptGPT, this is where things get really interesting. Because this is basically the brain behind your entire workflow. At the center of the screen, you'll see this big prompt box that says, "What do you want to create today?" And this is where everything starts. You can type anything here, whether it's for a video, image, or even music. The idea is simple. You describe what you want, and it helps you turn that into a proper structured prompt. But what makes this different from just typing into ChatGPT or any random AI tool is what's happening on the left side. Here you have something called the prompt engine, and this is where you can actually build your prompt visually instead of guessing everything manually. You can select things like visual style, camera angle, and even camera setup. So instead of trying to remember complicated filmmaking terms or writing long technical prompts, you just click and choose. And this is huge, especially if you're a beginner, because prompting is usually where people struggle the most. They don't know how to describe motion, lighting, or framing, and that's why their results look bad. But here, the tool is basically guiding you. You also have options to switch between image, video, and even audio-based prompts, which means you're not limited to just one type of content. Everything is flexible depending on what you're trying to create. Now, another thing you'll notice is the output format section. You can choose how your prompt is structured, whether it's plain text, JSON, or Markdown. For most people, text is fine, but if you're more advanced, you can actually customize how the prompt is generated. And then on the right side, you've got trending prompts. This is actually super useful when you don't have ideas. You can just pick one of these, tweak it, and instantly generate something high quality. It's like built-in inspiration. So overall, this page is designed to solve one major problem. Prompting should not feel like guesswork. Instead of typing random lines and hoping something works, you're building structured, detailed prompts with actual control. And that's exactly why your results improve without wasting credits. Now, right below that, this section is called Trending Models. And this is basically where Vosu highlights their most powerful tools. You can already see things like Face Swap, Kling 3 Pro, Seedance 2, which is what we are focusing on in this video, and Nano Banana 2. What's cool here is that you don't have to go searching around. If something is trending or powerful, it's right in front of you. You can just click Use Model and jump straight into creating. Then, as you scroll down, you start seeing all the different tools grouped together. Most models can generate a single good-looking frame, but the moment things start moving, everything falls apart. The motion feels off, lighting changes randomly, characters lose detail, and suddenly your cinematic video looks like a glitchy animation. That's been the biggest limitation so far. So the real question is, can Seedance 2 fix that? Now, obviously, I didn't stop there. Because the real test for any AI video model is complexity. Simple scenes are easy. But what happens when you throw multiple elements into the mix? So I went all in. But let's keep it real for a second. To generate scenes like this quickly, that's powerful. Because at the end of the day, content is about speed and quality. And tools like this help you improve both. So after everything, is Seedance 2 worth it? I'd say yes, but with the right expectations. This isn't the final version of AI video, but it's a big step forward. It's one of the first tools that actually feels usable for real content. And that alone makes it worth paying attention to. If you want to try it out yourself, I've left the link in the description. And if you do test it, try pushing it. Don't just use basic prompts. Go cinematic. Experiment with motion, lighting, storytelling. That's where you'll really see what it can do. If this video helped you, drop a like. And comment what kind of AI videos you want me to test next. And yeah, this is just the beginning. Because AI video is evolving fast. And tools like this, they're only getting better. I'll see you in the next one.